Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Behind me, the star of the show, and this car's in your face. It pops. It's a 17 GT. We just installed the Whipple Stage 2 Supercharger on. Hey, I'm Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. If you haven't, subscribe and notify us up to date on cool dyno and shop tour videos. But here's what we have going. 17 GT manual, 93 octane, running the Whipple Stage 2 kit. It's the Whipple calibration. We also installed a set of long tube headers. We're gonna go down and take a look at the engine compartment, and then we're gonna watch this dyno pull to see it making well over 700 raw horsepower. You gotta love that off a car that's running the Whipple calibration. I will put a link in the description so you can click on that supercharger, see what it costs, and of course you email quote@brenspeed.com to say, hey, what's it cost to get installed? Because we have these in stock. Doug, let's go check it out. Okay, we're gonna go down and take a look at the mini mods we did to this 2017. I wanna show you something. Look at this. Doug, you know what this is? No hood prop. This is what I love. And you don't see a lot of cars with these, and I don't understand why. We installed the MRT hood struts. I have them on my 2019. I love them. It just makes your engine compartment so much cleaner. And honestly, when I'm out here trying to do my job, it makes mine a little bit easier, and Doug's, because we're not working around the prop, and it looks so cool. So here's what we have. Down to business. We did cooling mods. So we did the rear cylinder cooling kit, our big Adler radiator and cooler thermostat. I talk about that a lot. I will have the links in the description. We did billet oil pump gears and sprocket, and a McLeod twin disc clutch. That's my all-time favorite clutch. The pedal's so light, has awesome holding power, so it's a really good clutch to get if you're thinking about, a lot of you can run the stock clutch for a while, but when you're ready for an upgrade, spend the money on the twin disc. Now for the big power. This car already had stainless power long tube headers on it. We installed the Gen 5 Whipple, the Stage 2. So you get the big 132 throttle body. It's about 11 pounds of boost. The nice, large, upgraded air induction system, 72-pound fuel injectors, and the calibration. So we just load the calibration on the car, runs perfect, and makes really good power. So here's what we have. Stage 2 Whipple, cooling mods, billet oil pump gears, upgraded clutch. Car already had some headers. Check out this dyno pull. All right, here we have it. Dynojet SAE 93 octane manual transmission. All important stuff to know. 716 raw horsepower, 7,500 RPM. That's awesome. The Whipple cowl will let you go up to that. Torque 521, peaking at 5,100 RPM. And by 3,500 RPM, we're over 500 torque. Sick setup. I want to take one more look at this car. Seriously, you install the Whipple Supercharger, set of headers, a couple supporting mods, absolute badass car on the street. Yellow popping in your face, and I really like we have the black roof on it and the black wheels. I kind of feel like if this car had chrome wheels, I wouldn't probably be a very big fan. I think it looks good. Star of the show right there. So hey, I'm Brent from Brenspeed. If you have a question, as always, leave that comment. Email quote@brenspeed.com and say, what's it cost to get installed? Description, and that's all for today. Thanks for watching.